Good morning, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. Gotta go check some things. We had a ruckus last night. Check out these videos. Yeah, that's a pretty high wind. Weird. Man. Feel that cool outflow? So that wind huffed and it puffed and it tried to blow the house down. Pop said his little house was rocking last night, and then we have another chance of them this evening or this afternoon, so we'll be keeping our eye on the sky. But what was so weird about that is we were under a severe thunderstorm watch, but we never went to a warning. And there's a service station just a little north of us that it collapsed their canopy over their gas pump. So it's really kind of odd that we didn't get any kind of a severe thunderstorm warning. Now we had gusts up, it said, my Tempest said up to 40 miles an hour, but I'm wondering if it didn't get a little bit higher, because it was quite concerning and I was certain that we were going to lose a tree. Now here's some of my bush beans, and you can see they got tousled about even in this raised bed, but I think they're going to be okay. I think they'll rebound today. As long as we don't get another windstorm, I think we'll be all right. Everything in the high tunnels are fine, of course, because we closed them up. Thank goodness for these guys, because we would have had some downed plants. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I got a beautiful zucchini coming in. We would have had some downed plants for sure. Starting to see my squash coming in, guys. So everything looks okay around the property. You saw all the wind whipping those trees last night. Quite volatile. I sure hope we don't see that again tonight. Now I'm sad to see that we lost some of our ripe mulberries through that wind, quite a few of them. I have some coming in, so I'll try to get out here and get these picked as they ripen because they are so delicious. These tomatoes are getting quite high. That one's probably about 5 feet tall. So thank goodness they were protected from that wind, guys, because these probably all would have been bent over with those heavy winds. So that's why we are so thankful for these high tunnels, because we can protect these things whenever these severe storms come in. Let's see here. These cucumber plants have just exploded, guys, in the last week. Holy mackerel. So you guys keep your eyes out, especially here in North Texas, because they're saying that we're under the gun again, and I really hope we don't get any winds like we saw last night. Cannot stand that, cannot stand that. We had very little rain with it, hardly any, and it went south of us. But we did get the outflow of those winds from that storm. Pretty concerning, pretty concerning. And then next, we got up to 99 degrees yesterday. But this week, we're gonna get back down into the mid 80s, and then toward the end of the week into the 70s, which we will welcome. But we do have a chance of rain pretty much all this week. We'll take the rain, we just don't want the severe weather. You guys know because I always say that. But anyway, wanted to give you guys an update and show you that incredible wind video. Again, keep your eyes out. We love you. Take care. God bless. See you soon.